Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. So let's start. Here's the question. What is the remainder when 2 raised to 143 plus 3 raised to 143 is divided by 143? If you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. So what is the remainder when 2 raised to 143 plus 3 raised to 143 is divided by 143? Let x be the remainder. So we have x is equals to 2 raised to 143 plus 3 raised to 143 mod 143. Next, since 143 is equals to 11 times 13, we can separate this into two congruents. So we have x is equals to 2 raised to 143 plus 3 raised to 143 mod 11, and the other one in mod 13. Next, P of 11 is equals to 10 and P of 13 is equals to 12. Next, 143 mod 10 is equals to 3 and 143 mod 12 is equals to 11. So we can simplify this as x is equals to 2 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3 mod 11, and the other one we have x is equals to 2 raised to 11 plus 3 raised to 11 mod 13. Next, simplify. So we have x is equals to 35 mod 11, and the other one is x is equals to 179,195 mod 13. Simplify more. We have x is equals to 2 mod 11, and the other one is x is equals to 3 mod 13. So we have two congruents. X is equals to 2 mod 11 and x is equals to 3 mod 13. We will use two methods to solve for these congruents. So the first one is using Chinese remainder theorem. So we have a column for r sub I, n sub I, x sub I, and the product of r sub I, n sub I, and x sub I. So what is r sub I? R sub I are the remainders. So in this case, we have 2 and we have 3. Next, how about n sub I? How do we get n sub 1? So n sub 1 is equals to 143 divided by 11. So in this case, this is 13. And n sub 2 is equals to 143 divided by 13, or simply this is 11. Next, how about x sub 1? So to get x sub 1, so we have 13 times x sub 1 is congruent to 1 mod 11. Next, solving for x sub 1, we have 2x sub 1 is equals to 1 mod 11. Add 11, so we have 2x sub 1 is equals to 12 mod 11 divided by 2 both sides. We have x sub 1 is equals to 6 mod 11. Therefore, x sub 1 is equals to 6. Okay. Next, how about x sub 2? So we have 11 times x sub 2 is congruent to 1 mod 13. Next, negative 2 x sub 2 is equals to 1 mod 13. Next, subtract 13. So we have negative 2 x sub 2 is equals to negative 12 mod 13 divided by negative 2 both sides. We have x sub 2 is equals to 6 mod 13. Therefore, x sub 2 is also 6. Next, we need to find the product. 2 times 13 times 6 is 156. And 3 times 11 times 6 is 198. So therefore, we have x is equals to 156 plus 198 mod 143. Simplify, we have x is equals to 354 mod 143. Now, simplify, we have x is equals to 68 mod 143. Therefore, the remainder when 2 raised to 143 plus 3 raised to 143 is divided by 143, the remainder is 68. And we're done. Now, another method is using algebra. So in this case, we use x is equals to 3 mod 13. This can be written as x is equals to 13a plus 3. Using the other congruence, we have x is equals to 2 mod 11. Now, since x is equals to 13a plus 3, substitute the value of x. We have 13a plus 3 is equals to 2 mod 11. Simplify, we have 2a is congruent to negative 1 mod 11. Next, add 10 to negative 1. We have 2a is equals to 10 mod 11. Divided by 2 both sides, we have a is equals to 5 mod 11, and this can be written as a is equals to 11k plus 5. Now, substitute the value of a. So we have x is equals to 13 times 11k plus 5 plus 3. Simplify, we have x is equals to 143k plus 68. Now, to get the smallest value for x, let k is equals to 0, so we have x is equals to 68. Therefore, the remainder, when 2 raised to 143 plus 3 raised to 143 is divided by 143, the remainder is 68. Or this can be written as x is equals to 68 mod 143. And we're done.